Hi everyone, and welcome to English with Monica and Cajun. Today, we're doing something really practical and fun for all of you learning English, especially beginners. We're going to practice conversations you'd have at a bank.
That's right, Monica. I'm Cajun, and I'll be playing the bank teller today, helping Monica with all her banking needs. This is a great way to improve your vocabulary and confidence.
Exactly. You can listen, repeat after us, or even try to role play along. We'll go through common scenarios like opening an account, depositing money, and asking questions about services. So, are you ready, Cajun?
Absolutely. Let's get started. All right, Monica, you're walking into the bank now. What's the first thing you need to do?
Okay, I'm a bit nervous because my English isn't perfect, but I need to open a bank account. I'll approach the counter. Good morning.
Good morning. How can I help you today? And for our listeners, that's a very common, polite way to start. You can repeat that. How can I help you today?
I would like to open a bank account, please. Is that clear enough?
Perfectly clear. Certainly. Do you have a preference for a checking account or a savings account? Now, for our listeners, preference means what you like more or what you prefer. You could also just say, do you want a checking or a savings account?
Oh, that's a good question. What's the difference between a checking account and a savings account? I'm not really sure.
No problem at all. A checking account is for your everyday transactions, like paying bills, making purchases with a debit card, or withdrawing cash frequently. A savings account, on the other hand, is generally for money you want to save for the future, and it usually earns a little interest.
Ah, I see. So checking for daily use, savings for future money. Okay, I think I need a checking account first. I'd like to open a checking account, please.
Excellent choice. To open an account, I'll need a few documents from you. Do you have a valid photo ID, like a passport or driver's license, and proof of address, such as a utility bill?
Yes, I have my passport and a utility bill here. I'm handing them over. What's utility bill mean, Cajun?
A utility bill is a bill for services like electricity, water, or gas at your home. It shows your name and address, which helps us confirm where you live. For our listeners, repeat utility bill. It's a useful phrase.
Got it. Utility bill. So what's next after I give you my documents?
I'll just make copies of these. Then I'll need you to fill out some forms. It won't take long. And to our listeners, fill out forms means to write your information on official papers.
Okay, fill out forms. I can do that. Are there any fees for opening an account?
For a basic checking account, there are no opening fees. However, there might be a monthly service fee if your balance falls below a certain amount. We can discuss that in detail. Balance means the amount of money you have in the account.
Oh, right. Monthly service fee balance. Okay, and will I get a debit card?
Yes, absolutely. Your debit card will be mailed to your address within 5 to 7 business days. You'll also receive instructions on how to activate it and set up online banking. For our listeners, debit card is what you use to pay directly from your checking account. Activate means to make it ready to use.
Great. Online banking sounds very convenient. So after I fill out the forms, what's the next step? Do I need to put money in right away?
Yes, an initial deposit is usually required to activate the account. What amount would you like to deposit today? And for our listeners, initial deposit means the first amount of money you put into the account.
I'd like to deposit $200 in cash, please. I'm giving you the money now. So that's deposit cash.
Okay, $200 in cash. Please sign here on the deposit slip. For our listeners, a deposit slip is a small paper form you fill out when you put money into your account. You write the date, your account number, and the amount.
Okay, signed. So that's all done for opening the account, right?
Yes, that's everything for now. You're all set. Your account number is on this temporary statement. Your debit card and online banking information will arrive soon. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
Exactly. Thank you very much. That was very helpful. And for our listeners, you're all set means everything is ready. This whole process of opening an account is really common.
It is. And now, let's imagine some time has passed. Monica has her debit card. Her online banking is set up. She's back at the bank for a different transaction. Monica, what do you need to do this time?
Okay, so I have my account and I need to withdraw some money. Good afternoon. I'd like to withdraw some cash, please.
Good afternoon. Certainly. Do you have your debit card and photo ID with you? For listeners, withdraw cash means to take money out of your account.
Yes, here's my debit card and my driver's license. I'm handing them to you. What amount should I say?
Great. Thank you. How much would you like to withdraw?
I'd like to withdraw $150 from my checking account. Is it important to say from my checking account?
It helps, especially if you have multiple accounts. But often, if you just say 150, we'll assume it's from your primary checking account. Okay, $150. Please enter your PIN on the keypad. IN stands for personal identification number, and it's your secret code for your debit card. Never share your PIN.
Okay, entered. That was fast. So now I have my cash. What if I needed to deposit a check instead of cash?
Good question. Let's role play that. How can I help you today?
Hello. I need to deposit this check into my account, please. I'm holding up a check.
All right. Have you endorsed the back of the check? For our listeners, endorse means to sign your name on the back of the check. It's important.
Oh, endorse. Yes, I signed my name on the back already. Here it is. Handing over the check.
Perfect. And what account would you like to deposit it into?
Into my checking account, please. So, for a check, it's just deposit this check. Simple.
Exactly. All right. The check for $500 is deposited into your checking account. Here's your receipt. A receipt is a piece of paper that shows proof of your transaction.
Thank you. So when will the money be available? This is a common question, right?
Very common. It usually takes 1 to 2 business days for the funds to clear. You'll see it reflected in your online banking soon. Funds to clear means the money is officially processed and available for you to use.
Okay, 1 to 2 business days to clear. That makes sense. What if I had a problem, like I lost my debit card? How would I tell you that?
That's a really important scenario. Let's try it. Welcome to XYZ Bank. How can I assist you today?
Hello, I need to report a lost debit card. I can't find it anywhere.
I'm sorry to hear that. We need to cancel your old card immediately to prevent any unauthorized transactions. Can I please have your name and account number? For our listeners, cancel means to stop it from working. Unauthorized transactions means someone else uses your card without your permission.
My name is Monica Smith, and my account number is 123456789. So you'll cancel it. What happens after that?
Once we cancel the old card, we'll order a new one for you. It will be mailed to your address, similar to when you first opened your account. It usually takes 5 to 7 business days to arrive. Order a new one is a common phrase here.
Okay, so a new card will be mailed. Will my account number change?
No, your account number will remain the same. Only your card number will be different for security reasons.
Good question, Monica. This is important for our listeners to know.
That's a relief.
And what if I need cash before the new card arrives?
You can still come to any branch with your photo ID, and we can process a cash withdrawal for you at the teller counter, just like we practiced earlier. So you're not completely without access to your money.
Perfect. Thank you for explaining that. Report a lost card, cancel old card, order new card. Those are really useful phrases. I feel much better about this now.
You're welcome. Now, let's try one more common scenario. Monica, sometimes people come in to ask about getting a loan for something big, like a car or a house. What if you wanted to inquire about a personal loan?
Okay, that sounds a bit more advanced, but I'll try. Excuse me, I'd like to inquire about a personal loan, please.
Certainly. We offer various types of personal loans. What kind of loan are you interested in, or what is the purpose of the loan? Inquire about means to ask for information about something.
I'm interested in a small loan for maybe some home improvements, like fixing my kitchen. How does that work?
All right. For home improvements, a personal loan would be a good option. You would need to fill out an application form, and we'd review your credit history and income to determine your eligibility and the interest rate. Credit history is your record of how you've managed money and paid bills in the past. Income is how much money you earn.
Okay, so application form, credit history, income, and interest rate. That's a lot of new vocabulary. What's an interest rate?
The interest rate is the percentage of the loan amount that you'll pay back to the bank in addition to the original money you borrowed. It's essentially the cost of borrowing money. So, if you borrow $100 with a 5% interest rate, you'd pay back $105. plus maybe some fees.
I see. So the interest rate means I pay extra money. How long does it usually take to get approved for a personal loan?
It depends on the complexity of your application, but typically we can give you a decision within 2 to 3 business days. If approved, the funds can be deposited into your account shortly after.
Approved means the bank agrees to give you the loan. Okay, so get approved within a few days. Thank you. That gives me a good idea of the process. I think I'll come back with all my documents when I'm ready to apply. This was really useful, Cajun.
You're welcome, Monica. And for all our listeners, remember to repeat these phrases. Practice makes perfect. Going to the bank can be daunting, even in your native language. So practicing these English conversations is a huge step.
It really is. We covered opening an account, depositing, withdrawing, reporting a lost card, and even asking about a loan. These are all very common things you'll do at a bank. Don't be afraid to speak slowly and ask for clarification if you don't understand something.
Exactly. Bank tellers are there to help you. So keep practicing and don't hesitate to use these phrases. We hope this role play was helpful for your English learning journey.
Thank you for joining us today, and a big thank you to Cajun for being such a patient and clear bank teller. We'll see you next time for more English practice.
Bye, everyone. Keep practicing.